More often than not, people behave with their Python code, although sometimes they don't. These are their stories. If you don't already know what the is operator does in Python, I'll demonstrate it. We'll declare a list variable. List A and list B, both lists are the empty list. When you write A is B, the question you're asking is, and this is a slight simplification, is the memory address of A the same as the memory address of B? If that's the case, A is B would result in true. Otherwise, it would result in false. Obviously, you want two lists to exist at different memory addresses so they can be modified independent of each other. So A is B returns false. What happens if we change this up slightly, though, and swap out the empty list with empty tuples? A is B would still return false because you want the tuples to be able to be modified independent of each other, right? Well, if you know your Python, you just caught where I went wrong. Tuples are immutable, meaning they are never modified. This behavior is defined in the language, so when two of the same type of immutable values, like empty tuples, are declared back-to-back, Python performs a memory optimization where the second time you declare an empty tuple, that second variable is just a reference to the value that the first variable already references. So A is B returns true. Like and subscribe to learn more.